As you know, cold chain logging is required to ensure food safety. But if your team is still recording temperatures by hand, you've likely run into these problems. Paper logs can be lost, damaged, or destroyed. Busy staff may skip or delay checks. Manual entries can't prove what happened between readings. That's where Enerlon comes in. At the core of Enerlon's cold chain protection is powerful monitoring technology. Our IoT-enabled wireless sensors track temperature, humidity, and equipment performance in real time, without relying on Wi-Fi or an IT infrastructure. If something goes wrong, 24/7 mobile alerts are sent to your team's phones so immediate action can be taken. Custom dashboards give you total visibility across sites and equipment. With Enerlon, restaurant service professionals are provided the tools to manage every link of their cold chain. From engineered maintenance plans to 24/7 IoT monitoring, mobile alerts, and trend logging, partnering with Enerlon will help protect every link in your cold chain and preserve every bite. Call today for your free assessment at 888-363-7566.